100 years, I'ma take it to the grave. Cause I fell in love with grinding before I had to pay. It's deeper than money, this shit about being great. They'll do it all for a bankroll. They don't know about days, late nights with the same clothes. They don't know about stepping in the rain with your phasos. But I was grinding, I wasn't trying to let my pain show. My opinion's still plenty, now she wanna get with me. Got binges on binges like what? Nigga, ayo. Play with this, hit them folks like Teo. Money hungry till I get a halo. Grind for 100 years, I'ma take it to the grave. Cause I fell in love with grinding before I had to pay. It's deeper than money, this shit about being great. It's deeper than money, don't care about cloud or the fame. It ain't about designing and flashy cars and getting paid. It's about how you keep doing what you love through the rain. I'm from Atlanta, you know a young nigga brave. But niggas make money, don't let the money make them slaves. No, I won't sell my soul, won't sell my soul.
What's up? What's going on, YouTube? It is snowing, and we missed day one when it was snowing in Atlanta, man. But now we are not missing anything, and right now I got the GoPro up. So let's go ahead and get some good shots, because I'm telling you, it is so freaking gorgeous. Y'all ready? All right, 5. Boy, if you don't get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They'll do it all for a bankroll. They don't know about days, late nights with the same clothes. They don't know about stepping in the rain with your phasos. But I was grinding, I wasn't trying to let my pain show. My opinion's still plenty, now she wanna get with me. Got binges on binges like what? Nigga, ayo. Play with this, hit them folks like Teo. Money hungry till I get a halo. Grind for 100 years, I'ma take it to the grave. Cause I fell in love with grinding before I had to pay. It's deeper than money, this shit about being great. It's deeper than money, don't care about cloud or the fame. It ain't about designing and flashy cars and getting paid. It's about how you keep doing what you love through the rain. I'm from Atlanta, you know a young nigga brave. But niggas make money, don't let the money make them slaves. No, I won't sell my soul, won't sell my soul. Even if you say I'm got you still might lie to me. Hop on a jet and get gone, they won't fly with me. Think you pulling strings, but I got my guitar with me. Whoa, you ain't shit, yeah, I know how this goes. It's always me, that's why my heart is cold. But I ain't tripping, cause I know I'm chosen. I'm a ball in this bit like the rose. And heart frozen, it can't go boom, 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 boom. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm a zoom, 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 zoom. I can't control it. I'm trying not to lose my cool. Weight on my heart, it makes it hard for it to go boom, 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 boom. No, no, boom, boom, boom.
All right, y'all, the whole road is stuck right now. Stuck as hell. I wonder if we can make it up. I'm gonna try to go this way and see if we can get out, and if that works. But if y'all can see, bro, everybody's stuck. Everybody is stuck right now.
Oh, he told.
Big shout out to whoever this Corolla driver is, man. They work in that car.
They're stuck now.
They work in that car.
He's stuck now. Don't get too close because you don't have to go around.
They both stuck. Oh man, y'all both stuck.
If they can move, we can get up there and pull them. See if I can get them to back up and tell them.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. But squeeze through it, make it fit.
I don't want to slide.
Before he pull up and block you. Just get around somehow. Watch out, sir. Yep, I'm telling him to go.
That's how you do it, y'all. Hey, saving the day.
Pull them all the way to the top.
Saving the day. Not all heroes wear capes. I just want to make sure I ain't breaking his shit.
I got you. Whoop, shit, I slipped. Pull him a little more up to the oh shit.
What?
It pulled. Keep pulling.
Hey, what's up, y'all? What y'all think so far, man? I've been saving people's life. We about to go back out. It is already 8 o'clock at night. So many people are stuck, and the police department said, hey, we know y'all stuck, but stay in your cars. But you know what? That's not what we gonna do. We are going to save people. So let's go help, man. Today is being productive. Buy a truck. Or if you have a Jeep, why is it 2-wheel drive? If you have a Jeep, why is it 2-wheel drive? If you have a truck, why is it 2-wheel drive? Come on, man. Come on, man. That's just embarrassing.
What are you, gay?
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna use this great $35 rope I just bought.
I know it was not $30.
Yes, I'm going to, I'm gonna use this rope. I'm gonna go around him real quick and see if I can yank him out. I think I could do it. Ooh, sorry, bye. So let's go around this cat. Oh yeah, we slipping. Record.
I am. I'm already recorded.
Okay. What drive? Tell him to
Stop. Stop.
Tell him put it in park, please.
Put it in park. It's sliding.
Oh, okay. Hey, I got this from U Street Speed. Oh. Big shout out to Street Speed 717.
Is that gonna stay on
you
it?
step on this to the
All
side.
right. Just keep slight pressure on the gas. All right, get him in the road. Get him in the road as best you can. All right, stop, Josh. It's tugging on his bumper.
We need to help that woman, bro. She's...
Start. You gotta start getting me home. That's what I was trying to do.
He's scared. I told him. The guy even said, I'm from up north, man. Just have him stay in a car melted the ice, right? The heat from the car melted the ice, which helped him in. Because it's on the corner, but if you...
It doesn't move as well. It just goes left and right. Even I put it on race.
Uh-huh. Yeah, if you let the one tire get in the grass, it'll pull it a little better. Yep.
Okay. Alright, let me try.
Keep it to the right and then try to stay half in the grass and half on the road. Hold on, wait. All right, it's gone.